Welcome to the Installation and Restyling Center here at Mid-America Motor Works. My name is Nick. I'm going to do a quick walk around on an install we just finished up here on this gorgeous C7. We just finished up a complete exterior install of a Bluetooth controlled LED kit that does your exhaust, both grills on the side of the rear fascia, as well as the taillight grills, side cove, hood vent, and the front grill. So we're going to take a quick look here at this app, which you've got a multitude of colors you can choose from that are preset, like red, green, blue, white, yellow, and pink, as well as a complete color wheel that gives you total control of any color you want. There are preset controls for brightness, and you can save any color you preset to choose from at any time. But we'll take a look around here at the rear. The side coves, and we'll get around, we've got the hood vent. And the nice thing about a lot of this is just how easy it is to hide all of the wire that is involved. So as you can see, there's really not a lot to it that could interfere with anything in your engine bay. You've got power running from the front grille coming up through here, the ground down here near the alternator, and all the way through here to a Bluetooth box tucked away neatly out of sight. And everything just controls right into your fuse box right here. No modifications, no permanent anything involved with these kits. There is pretty labor intensive portions of it that include pulling your fenders, the wheel liner, not the entire fender, but a lot of people feel like that can be a lot of work, but there's just 5 clips that you pop out of here. Once this piece is off, there's just 3 T15 bolts holding this liner in place, and then you've got complete access to anything you need to do back here. Easy, bolt on, no problem. But let me get back here. You can see a little bit better shot of the actual LED strips themselves here. This is the only one that you will ever actually see at any time. Let's set this real quick here. It's a 7-color gem. And let that go on its own there. And you can control the speed if you want it a little slower or fast. And there is 20 different preset color options that you can cycle through or set your own. You can set a timer to leave these on. If you're at a car show or anything like that, you want to walk away from the car, you can set a timer and they'll just keep going for whatever predetermined time you place, and then they'll shut off completely. I mean, this kit is fantastic. They're really actually easy to install once you know what you're doing. There is a bit of work to it, but all of it is just a matter of patience. And the end result, as you can see, is pretty amazing. That's the only one you'll see at any time. The rest of these are neatly hidden, including, which I don't believe is, let's come around to the front grille here. So that's everything that this kit covers. This is just one single kit. And this part number for this, if you want to take a look on our website, which we will have a link in the comments, is part number 698364 on our website. And right now we are doing half off of all installations. If you schedule your install before the 31st to have it done before March 1st, you'll get half off all labor rates for any install. If you could give us a call and talk with Josh, or send him an email. His information will also be in the comments. But that pretty much wraps up this kit for the day. We'll have a little bit more work on this one tomorrow to do some work on the interior, but that's a wrap up on this kit, so thank you guys for your time.